Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with StackBlitz for fast coding demos on LinkedIn. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the StackBlitz website. In the top right corner, locate the sign up button and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, you have the option to sign up using your GitHub account or your email. If you choose to use GitHub, click the GitHub option and follow the prompts to authorize StackBlitz. If you prefer to register with your email, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a secure password for your account. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from StackBlitz. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. After your email is verified, return to the StackBlitz website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will see the StackBlitz dashboard. From here, you can start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Choose the type of project you want to create, such as Angular, React, or vanilla JavaScript. Customize your project according to your demo needs. To share your demo on LinkedIn, locate the Share button on the top right corner. Click the Share button to get a link to your project. Copy the link provided by StackBlitz. Now, navigate to your LinkedIn profile. Create a new post and paste the StackBlitz link into your post. Add a catchy description to entice your connections to view your demo. Finally, hit the Post button to share your coding demo with your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.